Hey guys, so again we are trying to finish number 9. This is lesson 1 of unit 4. So we already brought down our x plus 2. For our x squared minus x minus 6, we're going to factor it. So there is no GCF that we can take out. Our a already equals 1, so we're going to go straight to our big X method. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us 6, but also can add or subtract to give us 1. That is 2 and 3. We want 2 times 3 to give us negative 6, but also add to give us negative 1. So which one has to be negative to make both statements true? The 3, because 3 plus negative 3 gives me negative 1. And if 3 was negative, 2 times negative 3 gives me negative 6. That's what we want. So our magic numbers come into our set of parentheses. X plus 2 times x minus 3. And there is our green. Doing the same thing with our other fraction. So our x squared plus 6x plus 5. There is no GCF to take out. Our a does equal 1. So straight to our big X method. 5 times 1 gives us 5. 5 plus 1, it gives us 6. So those are our magic numbers. And then lastly, our x squared minus x minus 6. Well, nudge, nudge, hint, hint. If you look right beside it, it's the same thing. So it's going to be the same magic numbers as our green. So x plus 2 times x minus 3. And we want to cancel out anything that are the same in the numerator and denominator. So x plus 2 cancels out. There is not an x plus 5 in the denominator, so we can't cancel it out. There's not an x plus 1 in the denominator, so we can't cancel it out. So we gotta simplify both sides of this fraction. So here we have x times x, x squared, x times 1, 1x, 5 times x is 5x, and then 5 times 1 is 5. In our denominator, we first have to do the x times x, which is x squared, x times 2, 2x, minus 3x, negative 3 times 2, which is negative 6. We're going to simplify this to x squared plus 2x minus 3x, but we can combine our like terms, which is that 2x and that negative 3x, to negative x minus 6. We're going to multiply this by our x minus 3. So we're going to do x times x squared, which is x cubed. X times negative x gives me negative x squared. X times negative 6 gives me negative 6x. Then I've got to do the same thing with my negative 3. So negative 3 times x squared, negative 3 times negative x, which is positive 3x, and negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 6 gives me that positive 18. So then I simplify and put it all together. And I get, and I'm going to write it up here, x squared plus 6x plus 5 all over x cubed minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 18 as my answer.